What's going on, everybody? I'm Jeff Robe, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, how you doing? Man, summer is on full-fledged, coming at you hot. It's hot outside. It's hot in here. I just got back from the gym, took a shower. I'm still hot, still trying to cool down. The robe probably isn't helping out, but it is July 2nd. Probably not going to post this video till after the 4th of July, so I hope everybody had a wonderful 4th of July, stayed safe, ate some good food, popped some fireworks, and hopefully you still got all 10 of your fingers, because every year it seems I always read one story about one kid losing some fingers. So hopefully that wasn't you, because that would not be good. As always, make sure you're checking out the Discord. If you're not in the Discord, you're really missing out on the majority of what I do here on this channel, as Google doesn't really let me do everything I want to do over here. So that's why I send you over to Discord. I do have a personal Instagram. If you don't have Discord, then you can message me over there and I will get to it when I can. Sometimes if you follow me and message me, sometimes it takes like a day or like 12 hours before it'll actually pop up in my inbox. I don't know what that's about. That's just Instagram and kind of how it works. It's probably like a bot filter thing, just making sure that your account is real or whatever. I don't know. It's above my pay grade. I just open boxes and show you products. And I also have memberships now on YouTube. So if you miss all the old Jeff Robe videos from either back at the old house or just want to watch me unbox hundreds of pairs of sneakers, then you can do that. And it is super, super cheap. And all the proceeds from the memberships are going to be reciprocated back into the channel. That way I can buy stuff and show it off to you guys, and we can all be sauced up and looking better than everybody else, because that's the goal. But today I got 3 packages. First one is going to be an Amazon chain. These I can link here, so this link will be down in the description. But I just had a little company reach out to me. U7 says Better You Lucky Life. Let's bust this thing open, see what it's working with. Came with 2 chains. I think one's a bracelet, or they might both be bracelets, but let's see what's up here. Comes in this little plastic bag. Did come with a little dust bag too. And I think I got the 22-inch chain. So yeah, kind of like, I'll have to look up the name of like the link style that this is, but it's pretty much just like a Cuban chain. Got a like 1 big loop and then 3 little loops. So this thing looks really nice. Not the heaviest chain. This stuff is going to be gold plated, but it's going to be super duper cheap. So if you have a, prom or a wedding or any type of event coming up, you're going to be looking nice, you want some jewelry to throw on, then this is a perfect option. Let's go ahead and bust into the other one, see what's going on with that. Went ahead and took a little intermission there and went and wiped some sweat off my face. I'm burning up. So same 1 big loop, 3 small loop, and then this one is just a little bracelet. So you're gonna get a matching set, and I wanna say these were under $20. If not, they're like right over $20. So can't go wrong there. And it is Amazon, so if you have Amazon, I got this in literally like 2 days, so that was awesome. So if you do need it on a dime, need it on a pinch, in a jiffy, then they can ship it to you. And I'm going to have that link down in the description. But let's get into the next package that I got here. And this is a little bit more what we're used to seeing on this channel. Let's bust her open. I'm going to be kind of gentle. Don't want to cut the shoebox if it's not double boxed. But it is double boxed, so we are good to go. I want to say both of these are going to be from William, but I will have to check. And if you need William's info, of course, as mentioned before, that's going to be over on the Discord. Feels like a pair of shoes. Let's see what's up. Oh, just kidding. A rugged Dior. Man, I love these boxes. One thing that they get really cool and fancy with is the Dior boxes. And this is going to be a bag, I'm pretty sure, but let's bust it open. I think Will might have dropped in a couple little extra goodies in there for me too. Oh yeah. So 2 pairs of shades. I'm gonna save those And let's get into this bag. Comes with this white dust bag. Got the little goose on her there. And this is just going to be an all black leather Dior saddle bag. I am a huge fan of these. Love the shape. If you see, I got another one right here. This one's kind of like the oblique pattern one. This one's also from William. But he can get any brand, so like I really like the Dior stuff, and I kind of like the sleek looking stuff that doesn't have a lot of branding. I think the LV bags at this point are just so maxed out, and like if you see one nowadays, it's almost like, really? Like you don't have any more originality than that. And one thing I really like is black, but also just like sleek black leather. So this thing pretty much checks all the boxes in terms of the aesthetics that I like. And then if you see right here, it says C and D, and then C and D for the clasps. Leather strap. And then it does have a magnetic clamp open. Inside you're gonna get one zip wallet pocket there in the back, so that's nice. And then this is just like the perfect everyday kind of bag. Like, unless you're one of those people that got 8 kids and you got to carry around like all these medications and different stuff like snacks and whatnot, like obviously this isn't going to be the bag. But you know, if you're someone who likes to look nice and have nice things, then this is just kind of slides right into that, and you can fit just about all of your daily carry stuff in it. See, it's even bigger than my hand. I just love the shape. I love the aesthetic. I'm from Oklahoma, so like saddle, you know, horses, leather. Speaking of Oklahoma, go Thunder. Thunder up. Hopefully you guys watched the Thunder win their first NBA Finals championship. I know I did. We had roughly, I think, 500,000 people or so show up for the parade as well, so that is phenomenal. Really happy for those guys. I think we got a great group of guys on our team. And hopefully, you know, we'll win like 2 or 3 in a row. That would be super sick. They are trying to build a new stadium for the Thunder in Oklahoma City because the one we have apparently is like the smallest or one of the smallest NBA stadiums. So they've like, I think, already passed the bill in the city, and now it's just a matter of like when they're going to break ground, where they're going to put it, and who's going to make it. So looking forward to that. Today's also July 2nd, 2025. I saw a cool thing before I started this video. We are exactly the halfway point from 2000 to 2025 to 2025 to 2050. So after today, July 2nd, 2025, we will be closer to 2050 than we are to the year 2000. And I was like, dude, I'm getting old. So yeah, but real quick, also came in with the bag, hard case, Prada, Bajinga. Let's pull these out. These got some good weight to them. I love sunglasses. It's kind of like shoes. It's something that you pretty much wear every day, and it's like you don't want to just have, it's okay to have like one pair that you absolutely love, but of course it's great just to have other options to go about. And here we go. You're ready for the club, you're ready for the car ride, you're ready for the lake, you're ready for the beach with these bad boys on. Let's go ahead. I'm going to rock the white ones, and let's pull out, I believe this is going to be the same thing, just in black. This also is felt on the inside, and it feels really, really good. Let's bust this open. Cool, cool, cool. And yeah, just the black pair. So I think they also make an amber, like a tortoise color too. So if you're into that, you can get that one. Black pair. These have really, really dark shading, so they're going to be perfect for super, super sunny days. And being that it's summertime, we're in for some sunny days. Although every year it never fails on the 4th of July in Oklahoma, it like rains. So yesterday we kind of had partly cloudy. Today it rained for like 20 minutes or so. And then tomorrow, I'm actually going to a swim party with some live music. Shout out the Scuba Bros if you're in Oklahoma and need to get certified for scuba diving. They are a top-rated person to do that with. But We're gonna go out, drink some beers, swim at the pool. And from where it's situated, it's kind of close to a highway. So I'm hoping that when it gets dark, we'll be able to see fireworks like 360, and it's gonna be super sick. It does come with a dust cloth as well in here, a dust cloth, some dust cloth. All right, boom. Prada shades, Will's got them. Dior bags, Will's got them. Dolce & Gabbana, Louis, Chanel, Marni, Goyard, Versace, Vetements, Rick Owens, anything, pretty much anything under the sun. I've worked with Will for about 6 years. I've actually known him long enough to watch him have 2 children. So if that tells you the type of trust that I have in Will and the type of like connection and like brotherly friendship that we have, that we know that type of stuff about each other, I want you to feel comfortable sending him your money, because he's going to send you the product that you want, and I'll vouch for that. But let's get into our last box of the day. We're trucking along. I'm gonna go drive down to Moore after this and go hang out. And then I'm gonna play some golf in the morning before we hit that pool party. And then for the 4th, I'm actually gonna go watch the AAA affiliate of the Dodgers, who are now called the Oklahoma City Comets, which is named after Mickey Mantle, because Mickey Mantle is from Oklahoma. And if you don't know who that is, he was a baseball player and pretty bad alcoholic. But he played for the Yankees. And if you haven't heard of Mickey Mantle, maybe you've heard of the Yankees. And if you're not into baseball, that's totally cool too. I'm going because after the baseball game, there's going to be a whole bunch of fireworks. All right, let's bust this open. My calculations are correct. It should be a Jordan. Pretty good, aren't I? Pretty good. Haven't seen this box in a while, but I think that's because of the silhouette I'm about to pull out of here is a Jordan that I don't often do, and I've recently had people asking for them, and they're available. Will's got them. These haven't always been available, but they have recently started making some of the Jordan 10 silhouettes, and I believe this one is called the Steel. Doesn't say. Air Jordan 10 Retro coming at you. Really like this bottom. Kind of reminds me of like some Addams Family or Beetlejuice stuff. Got the red Jordan logo there on the bottom. Leather quality on here feels really good. Shoe's got a little bit of bend and give, but nothing too bad. Feels like an athletic shoe. Does say Air Jordan 23 on the tongue. I'm trying to think if I've done a pair of 10s. This might be the first pair of Jordan 10s on the Jeff Robe channel. And, that's not on purpose. They just haven't been available. Has this really cool tag, too. Let me see if I can show that. That's really cool. Kind of got that plaid or picnic table inside. Black insole. Pretty light for a Jordan. Yeah, it feels even lighter than the 11, to be honest with you. And I haven't ever worn a 10, so if you like the Jordan 10s, let me know down in the comments if they're one of your favorites, or if like you got them and now they just sit in the closet and you don't really like them that much. I would like to know, because if I want to get some more pairs or get a personal pair of these, then I'm probably going to check these out. It's not too high of a profile, but you will not be able to probably wear ankle socks with this unless it's going to rub you. But I think they look really good. Pretty stylish. Pretty sick video today. Shout out Will for the glasses, the Dior bag, Jordan 10s, first time coming at you. What do you know? Shout out to the jewelry company. That was U7. That link is going to be down in the description. Get you some jewelry, get you some shoes, get you some bags, buy your girlfriend something, buy your mom something. We're kind of in that midpoint where after the 4th, what's the next holiday after the 4th? Like Labor Day or something? But we don't really have like big family-oriented holidays anytime soon after the 4th. So, surprise them. Could be a birthday, could be, an engagement gift. But whatever it is, the stuff that you're going to get doing this is going to be way cooler than anything you buy at Target or any department store or at the mall. And it's going to be cheaper. Just the one thing you have to do is you kind of got to be on top of your game. You got to know this is coming up. I got 6 weeks. I need to order this because if it takes 2.5, 3 weeks to come in, that's okay. And what you pay in time, you save in money. And that's just something, once you really figure that out and can get in the rhythm of doing it this way, next thing you know, you're going on vacation, you're taking your grandma to lunch, you got a little bit of extra spending money, you're buying some crypto, buying some stocks, whatever you want to do. So that's my whole goal, help you guys save money in 2025 because things are hectic out here, everything's expensive, everyone is not saving any money. So if you can be a little bit more cost effective to the point where it's going to benefit you down the road, then I highly recommend you do that. So yeah, I'm Jeff Robe. Thanks for tuning in today, and I'll see you guys next time when I got some more stuff for you.